Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's short video we're going to be giving out a bunch more sticker swap shoutouts. I've got a bunch more stickers and other stuff to show you in the mail. Really excited to get all these new amazing stickers up on the sticker swap sticker wall. You guys know that this is one of my favorite types of videos to do, giving shoutouts and helping other makers and creators get their names out there. So without further ado, let's begin. Some of them here. Holy Grail Coral. This is a vinyl sticker, so I'll have to put it and then peel the piece off for the sticker to come out beautifully. Really neat design with the trident. BYD B Yunkin design, made in Tennessee, USA. A sticker from overseas, and I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. I don't want to mispronounce it. AJF Aquatics. Really nice holographic sticker there. Mountain Design Company, established 2019. JLRO Aquatics. Really beautiful sticker there with the fish. And if you guys are wondering what's with the aquatic stickers now, I have recently got into fish keeping and the marine life stuff. I've got my very first fish tank set up with tropical fish in it. So I'm networking and swapping with a lot of people that are also into the fish keeping hobby. Captain Redbeard Barbecue, established 2020. Again, another nice holographic sticker. Graham Recreation and Parks. Graham, North Carolina is right down the road from Burlington. It is the next town over. It's one of the towns that border Burlington, so I'm there a lot doing stuff. Really awesome. Preppy Pirate Clothing Company, established 2016. I just went to one of their newly opened store. I believe it was in Eden or Reidsville, North Carolina. I can't remember which, but I picked up a sticker and also got one of their wristbands. You guys know I like to wear wristbands. I wear mine and others, so that's really cool. I'll go and put that on now. More stickers. Wild Rose. WildRoseCarolinas.com. It's in Hillsborough, North Carolina, and it is a dog kennel place. Really awesome. Inlet Moon Studio. Valhalla Metals. JS Aquatics, or J's Aquatics. Celtic Welds, or is it Celtic Welds? But really awesome with the Irish cross and the shield there. I really love that logo. Long Beach, it's a brand of fish, but I don't want to try to mispronounce that, but a nice little holographic sticker there as well. Really, really awesome. The Whiskey Reefer, another fish person I have swapped with. And I'm really loving all their logos. And a friend of mine in Pittsburgh sent me this. Really awesome. He sent me a picture of himself. As you guys know, I dress up and play pirates before everything in the world happened. I've done it for birthday parties, community events, social get-togethers, things like that. I dress up as a pirate, do photos with people, and do little short videos for people, like shout-outs and all. But this guy also does it. His name is Bill Coleman, and that is a picture of him dressed up as the pirate. And I actually got my snakeskin belt that I wear from him. He's located in Pittsburgh, and he's wrote my catchphrase on it: if I can do it, you can do it. And then he signed it. And then he also sent me some trinkets that he's made to tie into my pirate wig that I wear. he's making these out of resin, so that's really cool. Thank you for that, Bill. Nation Strong, Stronger Than Cancer. I had a friend send me this, and I'm going to happily throw it up on the sticker wall. Thoughts and prayers are for anyone fighting that horrible disease. The Bearded Reef, another fish person, and I really love this logo, how the tools and the fish and all are in the man's beard. So really, really cool cartoon design. And then I had a recent surprise. I am actually featured in the summer 2021 issue 83 of Scroll Saw Woodworking and Crafts magazine. This is the cover. They sent me a free copy for featuring me, and funnily enough, it's actually got a little pirate ship there on the cover, so that suits the Artisan Pirate great. But then on page, I believe it's on page 6 or 7. On page 6, there you see the magic wands I made in a previous YouTube video. They really like that, so thank you Fox Chapel Publishing and all the people at Scroll Saw Woodworking and Crafts magazine for featuring me. I really appreciate that. The final stickers here. Makita Tools. They sent me this sticker sheet, and I'll just be peeling off one of the Makita logos and putting it on, and then putting the rest of the stickers up. The Fencer's Forge. Really, really awesome design on that logo. And finally, Steel Woodworks, established 2012. Sticker has a nice steampunk vibe, but really, really cool. That's all that I have to go through in this video for shout-outs. Now, as always in these videos, let's get the new stickers up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall. All of the new stickers are up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall, and it is really, really starting to fill up. It's like a puzzle. You never know where each sticker is going to go, but I love looking at it. This is my wall of motivation. Whenever I'm sitting here working on the workbench, or I take a break to sit down, I look up at it and think of all the amazing people that I've made, and just motivates me to get better and better at my craft and my hobbies. But really, really awesome. It's starting to fill up. Like I said, I put a few over here on the new boards and continued adding here. Really, really awesome. Thank you all my friends for sending me this stuff. And as always, remember, if you guys want a sticker swap with me, the Artisan Pirate, just send me a message over on Instagram or in my email or something and let me know. Preferably, I like doing it on Instagram so I can tag you once I get your sticker before I throw it up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall. But again, if you want mine, and I'll get it out to you, just send me a message. As always with these videos, I will leave links to everyone's Instagram page that I can find down in the description box below, so that you can go and follow all these amazing people, network with them, follow them, and also swap with them. It's always good to keep the community growing and networking with each other, and it's how we get our names out there. That's about all for this video. Remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.